How to make your Android faster without factory reset. Well, hello everybody, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, let me guide you through steps on how you can make your Android phone faster without any factory reset. Well, first things first, make sure to free up your space. Make sure you have at least 10% of your total storage free to make sure that your phone has a room to breathe, that your operating system has the room to breathe. Delete old downloads and unused media using files by Google. Also, you can go to settings and head over to particular apps if you're facing any glitches or bugs and clear the cache. So head over to apps option, head over to that particular app, and you should be able to find the option to head into storage and clear the cache. You can also clear the data if you have backed up your account on that particular app. So similarly, make sure to unlock developer options. I've already made a video on it, but you can tap on build number multiple times to enable developer options, and under it you can enable certain features. Here I'll make a detailed video on it later, so you can enable it from here, such as the background limiter, so it will not allow more than 1 or 2 apps. You can set the limit for the background opened apps. So hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe.